Hello everyone. Today I will show you how to configure one-to-one NAT function of AVCOMM AP222 Gateway. One-to-one NAT aka one-to-one network address translation is a method used in computer networking to map one public IP address to one private IP address. It allows devices on a private network to communicate with the Internet using a specific public IP address assigned to them. This method ensures that incoming and outgoing traffic is directed to and from the correct device within the private network, providing enhanced security and control over network traffic. To do this configuration, we will use today one laptop, one AVCOMM AP222 Gateway, and one AVCOMM AP222 GX6 fully managed Ethernet switch. The purpose of this exercise is to access the switch AP222 GX6 from our laptop's web browser via AP222 Gateway, by using a different IP address against the actual IP address of AP222 GX6. In other words, we are keeping the local IP address of the switch private from the public network but still accessing it. To start, we will first configure the one-to-one NAT settings in AP222 Gateway. Connect your laptop to the LAN port of AP222 and log in the web GUI using its default IP address, which is 192.168.10.1. Make sure that your laptop is configured in the same IP address network. Now once you log in the AP222 home page, click on the Ethernet port option on your left, and once it appears, click on the Ethernet settings. Here you have to switch the network mode from bridge to router, and click Submit. Now go back to the system on your left, and click on Network Settings. Here, we will assign the WAN as 192.168.100.254, and the LAN IP address as 192.168.10.254. Once again click Submit. Now this time the gateway will reboot itself, and we will access the AP222 web via IP address 192.168.10.254. After logging into the homepage, click on Security on the left, and then One-to-One NAT under the NAT Settings drop-down menu. Once appeared, click on Enable One-to-One NAT. In the local IP address type 192.168.10.1, which is going to be the private IP address of the switch AP222 GX6. And under WAN IP address type 192.168.100.1, which is going to be the public IP address of the switch AP222 GX6, via which we will access it over the one-to-one NAT. Comment is optional, so we are going to leave it blank. You can type anything here as per your choice. Now the configurations have been completed. Hit the Save button on your upper right corner, and you are good to go. To test your one-to-one NAT, reprogram your computer IP address to 192.168.100.222. Use subnet mask 255.255.255.0 and the default gateway 192.168.100.254, which was the also WAN IP address of the AP222. Connect your laptop to the WAN port of AP222. AP222 GX6 by default have the IP address 192.168.10.1 and subnet 255.255.255.0, and the default gateway 192.168.10.254, so we will not do any configurations on the switch this time, and connect the switch to the LAN port of the AP222. Now to see the results of your one-to-one NAT, access the switch AP222 GX6 on your laptop's web browser using its public IP address 192.168.100.1. If you can enter the configuration interface of AP222 GX6 normally, it means that the one-to-one NAT configuration is successful.